Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can sync RGB using OpenRGB. So basically, if you head over to the application right here, and if you select something like a static color, basically it will all sync. But what if you select something like the wave effect and basically your devices doesn't sync together? Well, the first thing that you have to do is to click on the apply all devices option to make sure that the effect applies for every paired device on the OpenRGB. From there, we also have to get the effects plugin, which is going to be this one. Just search for the OpenRGB effects plugin, and from there, after getting the file, you want to head over to your OpenRGB, click on settings, click plugin, install, and then you want to look for the installation path of our plugin. And then you want to go ahead and look it from there. Or if you got the MSI or Windows installer file, you can just double click on it, click on next, and then you want to accept the terms and agreement. And then of course you want to look for the OpenRGB plugin effects. So in my case, it's going to be on the program files, but you want to make sure that it is inside the installation path of OpenRGB. So let's click on install, wait for this to finish, and basically from there, just do the same thing, which is to head over to the OpenRGB application. From here, click on the apply all devices, and then you have to make sure that it is installed by navigating through this window, and basically it will then show up right here. It will simply look something like this, where you have the settings, you have the plugins, and of course, we have the OpenRGB effects plugin. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.